Welcome! If you're tired of getting constant topics notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to prevent those notifications and help you take back control of your feed. Let's get started. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your home page, look to the left sidebar and find the More icon. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your main settings dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your account. Next, in the Settings menu, locate and click on Notifications. Here, you'll see several options to customize how and when you receive alerts. What you want is Preferences, so go ahead and select that. This is where you can fine-tune your notification experience and make sure you only get the updates that matter to you. Now, within Preferences, look for Push Notifications. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different notification types that X can send to your device. Scan through the list until you find the section labeled Topics. By default, this option may be checked, meaning you're set to receive notifications about trending topics and updates X thinks you'll find interesting. To stop these notifications, simply uncheck the box next to Topics. This action tells X that you no longer want to receive push notifications related to topics, helping you reduce distractions and keep your notifications focused on what's important to you. That's it. You've now successfully disabled Topics notifications on X using your PC. With these quick steps, you can enjoy a cleaner, more personalized experience without the clutter of unwanted topic alerts. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might benefit from a distraction-free X experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on X with fewer interruptions.